Hello, hi everyone. I am going to tell you some method to learn English. Uh, Most of the people use them uh, to learn English. Uh, I have three methods to learn English. Everyone teaches in English. Even I have learned lots of things in English. Even uh, you can you can learn lots of things in English. There is no such thing as a learning fast. There is no method that can make you learn fast. If you want to learn fast, uh, if you want to learn fast, there is one person who can teach you a fast learner. Uh, the person is you. Before moving ahead in the video, I am going to tell you about myself. My name is Sonu Nigam and I am from Agra and I am learner English. So this method is going to very helpful for you. You need to develop a new habit uh, of hardworking, because hardworking is very important things. Why hardworking? You can lots of things in English. uh, you should start reading is very important things to learn English. If you read, listen anything, you have to practice them, because practice is very important things again. Next, you should start listening is very important things. Listen to English video, small conversation video, and while listening, you can understand everything in English. uh, After listening, you try to speak in English. And next, you should start thinking in English. By thinking in English, you can uh, understand everything in English. Why thinking in English is very important things. Thinking is very important, because when you think in English, your confidence will increase. And after that uh, y- after that you have to make as many sentence as possible. If there are any use of any things, like you are learning the use of get, so you should make 10 sentence. After that you practice them. And whatever use, if they are of anything, you have to practice them. By doing this, you can start things understanding things. And up, after you have to practice them. Then after that, you create any story in your mind. After creating any story in your mind, like about life, about conversation, you create any story in your mind. After that, you should practice them. uh, Whatever you learn here anything, but do not practice, you will forget everything. There is no benefit of listening, reading. So you have to practice them. Practice very important things. uh, the more you learn, the more you speak. So don't worry when you speak in English. If you make any mistake, so don't worry. Everyone felt scared in the beginning, so don't worry. When you speak in English, if you have any problem, you can tell me. I am with you completely. Uh, I will tell everything in English, so don't worry. try to give as much time as you possible, because uh, practice is very important. You keep practicing every day, then you can practice, you can speak in front of mirror, and for sometimes by doing this your confidence, your English will increase. And uh, when you hard work, so everything become very easy, everything become very easy. So you keep practicing every day. So if you have any problem, so you can tell me, I am completely with you. So don't worry, I am right.